Hi YouTube, welcome to the Emporium Outdoors. My name is Michael and just behind me is Esme and somewhere the other way is Simon. So we're out on a overnight camp and I'm going to be testing out some new equipment that I was sent from Sportneer. So this is a chair that they actually sent out to me for a review. So I didn't buy this, this is actually for review purposes. I thought what I'd do is, I haven't opened it yet, so it's all new to both of us. But I do have the Helinox Chair Zero as well. The price difference is significant, so I think this is like $170 Canadian. And I think this one is maybe $30 or $40, so there's a significant price difference. So what I thought would be interesting is to actually look and see what those differences are. Is it worth spending the extra money for this, or would something like this be more suitable? So let's go ahead and unbox them. Okay, so it comes in a nice bag, has some webbing down the side. Looks like it's all in one piece. So I'll put the weights, etc. I can tell this one is obviously lighter. I'm not sure by how much. Okay, that's all together. So looks like the bottom. So just like the Helinox, they just slot into these pockets. There we go. And I think this is meant to clip underneath, but I'm not too worried about that. So it goes together pretty quickly. I think that's right. No, I've actually done this wrong. So I guess the mesh should be where your back is. Yeah, squirrels are laughing at me. Okay, so that's the chair correctly together. So I'll set up the Helinox. So these don't rotate, so it's a little different. So they're a kind of similar size. This one is heavier by, I want to say 25%, something like that. So let's go and try them out. Yeah, comfortable. It's compromised with this chair. I actually like it quite a lot, but because it's lightweight, it does shift around somewhat. Yeah, it's very similar kind of setup. It does shift around somewhat. I do find the feet sink in. I know you can get a little pad to put them on. That's not bad at all. That's actually quite nice. I wouldn't be disappointed if I had bought this myself. I think it's worth the money. Yeah, I think if we were doing a blind seating test, would I know the difference? I'll probably know the difference because this tends to move around a little bit more than this. Yeah, so if you're in the market for a cheaper, lightweight outdoor chair, backpackable, then this might be an option for you. I'll let you know how the chair fares after a couple of months, because I don't really consider this a review at this stage. You can't just take something out of a box and give someone's opinion on it, but so far it looks pretty good. Stitching's good. There's no defects at all with it, and it seems pretty solid. So that's our first look at the Sportneer lightweight chair. So let me know in the comments below what you think. Would you spend the $170 for the lighter weight, 25%, or would you be happier with the $30 to $40 chair? Anyway, thanks for watching, and until next time, take care. So we did continue using the camping chair over the remainder of the weekend with no problems whatsoever, but I will let you know how things work out over the coming months. And as always, thank you very much for watching. If you like my videos, leave me a comment, maybe a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe.